As an AI language model, I don't have a personal history, but I can tell you about the history of the technology that made my existence possible. The first large language models based on neural networks were developed in the early 2010s, but they were limited in their capabilities due to the computing power and data resources available at the time. However, in 2015, Google released a breakthrough in natural language processing technology called BERT, bidirectional encoder representations from transformers. BERT was based on a deep neural network architecture called a transformer, which allowed the model to learn contextual relationships between words in a sentence. This breakthrough in NLP technology paved the way for even larger and more powerful language models, such as OpenAI's GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, series. The first GPT model was released in 2018, and it was trained on a massive corpus of text data to learn patterns and relationships between words and phrases. GPT-2 was released in 2019, which was even larger and more powerful than its predecessor. GPT-3, which was released in 2020, is currently the largest and most powerful language model, with the ability to generate human-like text and complete complex language tasks with high accuracy. The development of large language models like GPT has revolutionized natural language processing and opened up new possibilities for applications such as chatbots, language translation, and content generation.